What's up everyone, this is Rakesh here once again. Welcome to the session of Oracle SQL. So guys, in our last session what we have discussed the all operator. Now what exactly we are going to discuss in this session? So in this session we are going to discuss the between operator. Yes, between operator we are going to discuss. So what is between operator? Between operator is nothing but it's a range operator. So if somebody, let's say for example, if somebody will ask you one question saying that give me those employee from the employee table who are getting the salary in between 20 lakh to 50 lakh, then what do? You will use the between operator. And guys, why the management or anybody is asking this question? Because they want to do the cost cutting, they want to fire, so that's why they are asking. Okay, so if somebody will ask you this question, then you can use like that, and you can give those employee who are getting in between salary 20 lakh to 50 lakh rupees. Okay, so this is how you need to use. Now let's have a look on the syntax. What exactly the syntax you need to follow whenever you want to use the between operator. So as you can see on your screen, this is the syntax. In this syntax, in where clause, I have used the between operator, in which I have given the lower range and the upper range. Now one thing you need to take care over here, between operator will consider the lower range as well as the upper range. Now you can say that what exactly it means. It means that it will consider those employee who are having the 20 lakh rupees salary and 50 lakh as well. So those also will become bakra. 20 those who are getting the salary 20 lakh rupees and 50 lakhs, they will also get fired. Okay, so this is the thing which you need to take care. Okay guys, so this is all about the between operator. Now let's have a look on the equivalent query of this between operator query. So as you can see on your screen, this is the equivalent query of the between operator query. So guys, in this I have used the and logical operator condition, and I have used the comparison, which is nothing but your greater than equal to and less than equal to. So this is nothing but your between operator. It's a range, we are giving range. So instead of the salary you can use hire date as well. So any kind of columns you can use except the varchar 2 or character. Okay, so this is all about the between operator, and it's very pretty simple. I hope you have understood what exactly it is, and if you haven't understand still, then please watch my practical session, in which you will definitely understand. So let's go for the practical. So guys, just right now we have seen the theory part of the between operator. Now it's time for the practice. So let's go for the practice. Before that, I would like to show you the content of the employee table on which we are going to use the between operator. So let's see. So guys, this is the content of the employee table on which we are going to use the between operator. So this is the content. Now let me go a little bit slow, because I got a complaint from few viewers saying that you scroll very fast screen. So let me go slowly. Okay guys, so these are the content. This is the content. So it's not big deal. If you have installed the Oracle, then you will already know what exactly the content is. Okay, so this is the content over here. So guys, if I will go very slow, then it will be very difficult to make a video. Okay, so this is the content. Now let's see how exactly we will use the between operator. So as you can see over here, this is the query I have written for the between operator. Using the between operator, I can say that. Now let's understand what exactly it is, and then we will understand the functionality of between operator. So you have to use the between keyword, and then you have to give the lower range, and this is the upper range, and in between that you have to use the and keyword. Now what exactly it will do? It will give those records in between lower range and upper range, including the lower range and the upper range. Okay, now in terms of our query, what exactly it will do? It will scan the employee table, and it will try to identify those records which are having the salary is 14,000 and in between the 24,000. So let me show you the result, and then you will understand. So you can see over here, it will this query give me records in between the 14,000 and 24,000, including the 14,000 as well as the 24,000. You can see over here, this is the row I got from this query. Okay, now let me show you the equivalent query of this query, which is nothing but this query. You will get the same result as we got in the previous query. So you can see 4 rows got from this previous query. So same thing we got from this one. So this is the equivalent query of this query. Okay, now let me show you the between operator is not only used for the numbers, it can be used for the data type or date value as well. So for the date value you can use like this. So let me just fire very quickly. So these are the rows you can get from this query, and you can see there are no rows which is not lower than this 2003 and upper than 2004. So you can see over here only 2003 are got retrieved from the employee table, and equivalent query of this is nothing but already we have discussed, you can use anything. Okay, so this is what I want to say about the between operators. So I hope you have understood what exactly the between operator and how exactly we use the between operator. So guys, I'm just giving one more thing to you guys. Let me go back. So over here you can use the 0. Okay, now shall I give the assignment to over here or not? So let me show you. Okay, so you can use over here null. So what you got? So you won't get anything because null is not a value. So instead of that you can use the 0. So this many rows you have got from the 0. So conclusion is you cannot use the null value over here, guys. Over here you cannot use it because null is nothing, it's not a value, it's just a saying that it's empty, which we have already discussed guys on null. Okay, and upcoming session also we will discuss on this. So this is what I want to say, and this might be the question in the OCA or OCP. Okay, so I hope you finally understood what exactly the between operator. Now it's time for the assignment. So let's have a look on the assignment. And guys, if you like the video, then hit the like button, share it, subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching for the video. Bye bye, take care.